Hey, thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today's video is all about putting together a Dell monitor. All right, did I mention don't forget to like and subscribe? Help a fella out here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. All right, so getting ready to unbox my Dell 27-inch monitor. See, it looks like an S2721H. All right, so like all monitors these days, they're all pretty much the same. They're all pretty well packaged, pretty good. Power cord, HDMI cable, it looks like a plate for the back side. Now a stand for the bottom. For the upright. Warranty, safety, and regulatory information. Look on the back side here. All right, so let's start by putting the stand together. You have a nice thumb screw type bolt. You can tighten that down by hand, no tool required, and then just make sure you snap it back out of the way so it's not sticking down and scratch your desk. So let's move this over a little bit. This looks like it just slides into place here. And one thing on the back side, it's like you got the standard bolt pattern, but you don't have the small bolt pattern. So if you're looking for the standard bolt pattern, probably should avoid the small bolt pattern. For some reason, most of them have gone back to the standard, but avoid this one. This should just snap up into place. Just like so. Plate on it. Alright, so you got the two on the side, so you can figure out which, I guess, is the top and the bottom, because the The bottom ones are closer to the bottom of the plate than the top ones. Alright, so that makes the back look nice, I guess, if it was, the back was, you know, facing somebody. Or HDMI cable. Of course, the power cable. Okay, so I did just plug it in to a laptop just to test it. And I got to tell you, I did, you know, something had not occurred to me about this when I purchased it. Even when I put it together, it didn't even click. But this monitor has no way to adjust the height. You know, a lot of monitors have, you know, kind of a tower that sits here and you can kind of slide it up and down. The only way you're going to adjust this one is to set some books underneath it. There's no way to lower it, so that is what it is if that's too high for you. So that's kind of a little disappointing. I mean, it's a cheaper monitor, so I can't really complain too much. And my desk is adjustable, so I guess I'll just live with it. But it's just one thing I did want to mention about this particular monitor.
And a lot of businesses will not buy those stands that are not adjustable because, you know, if you got an employee, you know, sitting in front of a desk all day, you need to keep that monitor at the proper height to avoid neck strain. And, you know, of course, that's probably a little bit of a liability to them if they don't, you know, give you the proper tools to prevent that from happening. That being said, I did use the fact that this monitor doesn't have the height adjustable stand. I was able to use the screws on the back side of it to hide some of those cables, not just cables for the monitor, but the cables for the docking station itself, and the docking station power supply. I was actually used that to my advantage. So watch the video putting together a height adjustable desk and hiding the cables. It's one of my videos that could help.
There you have it, not much to it. Thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.